Welcome to the IPS-Ingredis digital platform. To begin, we will show you how to navigate through the platform with basic introduction into each section. When you click on the green button on the top right-hand corner, a drop-down menu will open. The dashboard is your central hub to get an overview of activity on the platform. It includes our latest product promotions, an interface to track your shipments with IPS-Ingredis, and your notification center to stay up to date with the latest insights, events, and quotes for your favorite products. On the product section, you will find all the ingredients we offer in our expanding range, from food and beverage to bakery, confectionery, personal care, and more. You can search for any product you need through the search bar and also access the detailed product specifications as well as request a quote on each product page. The inquiries section will show you all of your related inquiries and communications with our team, and this is where you can find more information about your requested products. The market section will showcase the latest industry insights, reports, and product news from our team. Want to know the seasonality and crop update for a particular product, or trends and innovations in a particular sector? This is where you can find that information. We actively participate in various industry events throughout the year. These are displayed under the event section, where you can learn more about the event itself, what to expect, and also schedule a meeting with our team. If you would like to learn more about who we are and what we do as a global trading company, you can read about it under the About section. If you are interested in joining our international team, head over to the Careers tab and see what vacancies are currently open. Or you can get in touch with us directly with any questions or feedback through the Contact tab.